Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a fascinating puzzle in the world of transportation. Have you ever wondered how the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation, or IRCTC, manages to turn a profit while its parent, Indian Railways, struggles financially? Well, buckle up because it's quite the ride. First off, let's set the stage. Indian Railways, a massive state-owned entity, recovers only about 57% of its travel costs on average. Now that doesn't sound too good, right? But here's where it gets interesting. One of its subsidiaries, IRCTC, reported a net profit of a whopping 255 crore Indian rupees in just the quarter ending December 2022. So how does this work? IRCTC operates almost like a separate entity within Indian Railways. Established back in 1999, its main gig is to enhance the hospitality services at stations and onboard the trains. It quickly became an essential profit driver for its parent organization. Now, IRCTC's revenue streams are pretty diverse. They make their money from four main activities: online ticket reservations, catering and hospitality, providing packaged drinking water under the brand Rail Near, and travel and tourism services. Let's zoom in on the ticket reservation system because it's a real powerhouse. IRCTC is one of the most transacted websites in the Asia-Pacific region, handling over 34.5 million transactions monthly. On a daily basis, about 6.27 million users log in, and more than 1.1 million tickets are booked. This captures over 80% of the market share for reserved train tickets in India. Impressive, isn't it? But here's the kicker. The government of India plays a crucial role in balancing the interests of shareholders and citizens, which directly impacts the profitability and operational strategies of IRCTC. So there you have it. IRCTC shines as a profit-making machine within a struggling parent company, thanks to its innovative revenue models and critical role in the Indian railway ecosystem. It's a classic example of how a subsidiary can thrive, even when the larger entity faces financial hurdles. Thanks for tuning in. If you're intrigued by how companies innovate and succeed in challenging environments, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video!